Hi, welcome back to this lesson. This lesson is in continuation to the previous lesson wherein we identified whether the input character is a digit or alphabet. We will be solving the same problem with the help of Unicode method in this lesson. Now we will be evaluating the Unicode value of the input character and we'll check whether it falls in the range of digits or alphabets, and accordingly we will give our outcomes. So we need to first understand the Unicode value of digits. 0 has a Unicode value of 48, 1 has 49 and 9 has 57. Lowercase alphabet has Unicode value 97, B has 98 and Z has 122. Capital A has Unicode value 65, B has 66 and capital Z has Unicode value 90. We can obtain the Unicode value of a given character with the help of ORD function. So let us get back to the Google Colab and I'm going to copy this code which we wrote previously. Let us copy this and paste it in this cell, and now I will be removing this part of the logic. The rest of the things remain same. We will take the input from the user and we'll check its length. If it is a single character, then we can identify whether it is a digit or alphabet. If it is not a single character, then we will tell user that he has given the input of more than one character. So the first task is to check the Unicode value of the input character. So we have collected the user input and then we have retrieved the Unicode value of that input character, and the next task is to check whether it falls in the range of digits, which has a Unicode value starting from 48 to 57. So we'll check if the Unicode value falls in the range of 48, that is it should be greater than equals to 48 and less than equals to 57. So if this is the case, we can tell user that the input character is a digit. If that is not the case, if input character is not a digit, then we have to identify whether that character falls in the range of lowercase alphabets or uppercase alphabets. So it should have the Unicode value falling in the range of 97 to 122 and it should be less than equals to 122. So this could be one case, or it can be greater than equals to 65 or less than equals to 90. So if this is the case, then that input character is a alphabet. Let us copy this code and paste it over here, and we can see that the input character is a alphabet. Now the next scenario is that character does not fall in the range of digits and does not fall in the range of alphabet. Then in that case, this character is neither digit nor alphabet. Now I'm going to execute this code. Let's pass A. It says that the input character is a alphabet. I'm going to pass capital T. It says that the input character is a digit. Why it is giving us this outcome? Because I have given the wrong range over here. It should be 57. Okay, so this is causing the error. Let us re-execute it. I'm going to pass lowercase b. It says that it is a alphabet. Now I'm going to pass capital G and it says that the input character is a alphabet. Very good. And now I'm going to pass 5. It says that the input character is a digit. Let us pass something else. I'm going to pass the square bracket and it says that the input character is neither a digit nor an alphabet. And I'm going to pass now a collection of characters. So it says that the input contains more than one character.